guys later. So welcome to this YouTube dance channel, tutorial channel, challenges, and whatever you want to call it. Now, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe down below, like on this video, and just watch to the end. And probably you guys will learn the dance. In case you learn the dance, comment down below and let me know. So let's dive right into the first step. Now the first step is I think I saw this. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, down. Please. So clap. Follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up, down. We are doing it fast. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Remember, take it as slow as possible for you to get this challenge step. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Don't forget, guys. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. 1, 2, 1, 2. So before that step, let's get the first step right. For the next step, let's get this first step accurate. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down. Don't forget to get it. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. So she come on your Monday. So she come on Monday. So no, we're going up and down. So it's so she come on Monday. 1, 2. Sing, guys. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. So she come on Monday. Now, before you get to the one that you have to wide your leg like this, first things first, you do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you do leg walk twice. 1, 2. Then you open and you close. Let's go up to the first step. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. So listen, guys. I'm taking it as slow as possible for you guys so I can get it. They can get the full concept, full grasp. So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. So guys, after you do 1, 2, close, the next thing to do is 1, 2. Catch your leg to the side, carry it back. So it's 1, 2. Let's go from the start once more. 5, 6, 7, 8. Listen, guys, so it's 1, 2. Also, once you have finished doing this, once you have get this concept of 1, 2, the next step to do is 1, 2, you take the leg forward, take your left leg forward, then you hit. So it's hit, you drop, stagger back, fall backward. So it's, let's get into the start. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1. Step back. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, kick, back. Follow me. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, kick, back. So that's it, guys. That's the first round of this tutorial. Remember, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. Subscribe down below, click on the like button, subscribe, comment, guys, comment. Now let's go. So guys, the next step in this challenge is, after you do kick, drop, 1, 2. Next you do is, you take 2 steps forward, 1, 2, 3, 4. Forward and backward, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Hope you are getting me, guys. So it's kick, drop, go back, and go back again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, just 1, 2, 3, 4. You do 1, 1, you hit. After taught this dance in one of my tutorials, so you can probably watch it. I think I will link it in at the end of the video, my end screen. So you can click this on that one if you want to check it out. Put that in my end screen for you guys to watch it out. So it's kick, drop, 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, hit, go, hit, side. That's it, guys. So I have to do everything in fast paced for you to get the concept. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for the next step, you must be able to get this concept. This one. This. A, yo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, kick. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, kick, hit. That concept. So watch this part of the video as much as you can for you to be able to get this concept. This. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get that concept. Now moving on to the next step. Once you have got that concept, let's do this to hit 1. Make sure just once for hitting. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Before you do the back. Let's go. The next step. Let me just do it up to this one that we're bouncing back. So it's 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8. So just get it up to that extent. So it's 1, 2, guys. 1, 2, drop your leg then. 1, 2, 3, go back. That's it, guys. Remember, it's from this. From this one. Let's go. 5, do 1, 2, 3, 4, you. The next step, once you are facing back, the next step to do is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. I think, guys, that's what to do. So once you are facing back, what you have to do is that's it, guys. That is the full dance challenge. That is the full dance challenge, guys. Can I do it in slow mo for you guys to get it? In slow mo, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. So you One, 2, 3, 4, 5, hit, bang. So guys, that's it in slow-mo for you guys. So if you like this video, kindly drop a like below, subscribe to the channel, share to your friends that want to dance like this. Probably want to learn this dance because it's amazing. It's an Afrobeat for you guys. Don't forget to watch these 2 videos over here, and I'll see you guys in my next video.